Hello guys, this is a little bit of a change from last couple videos, but I'm going to start the Toyota Scion and I'm going to show you that it has not been started for weeks. 3 weeks, I think. Nothing, I just want to show you that it's legit. So I'm going to get in the driver's seat, which I'm definitely not old enough for yet. See if I can do Corvair Wild style. Oh, I can't even fit in this car. Runs like a little sewing machine. Really cold. Oh, smoky. Yep, she's cold. Glug, 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 glug. Don't show the license plate. Whoa, freezing, sorry. Very good little Toyota. Oh. Yeah. Good little racer. I'm not even going to bother to start this one. It's already been started. All morning. Look. Plastered. Getting killed with snow. Look at the icicles. Oh, we're gonna get so much leakage. Not good. No tractor. That means nice and clean driveway. Crazy. Look at all this snow. The neighbor's next door plowing with it. Snow blowing with his little 2007 Japanese John Deere. He probably bought from Home Depot. Look at this. This happens every year. We get the big snow drifts. And then they fall and scare the shit out of us at night. Tons of snow. Tons. Let's see. Snow blowed this path last night. It's already got another 6 inches of snow. You can't even see it, it's so white. But you can see there's a little bit of difference. But whatever. Plastered. Plastered with snow. Oh my god. Can't deal with this anymore. It's freezing. Oh my god. Plastered. See ya.